Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Still Rain, and welcome back to the channel. And we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway right now on the Sandra Sears random YouTube picker for the IFlight Beetle that I posted about a week ago. So what we'll go ahead and do, go copy the URL up here, post it in here. And remember, guys, only one comment is going to be the winner. So if anybody has more than one comment, it's not gonna work out so well. There we go. We'll randomly pick the winner. And here we go. Cameron Hill, you're the winner. One comment. So you're the winner. Go ahead and give me a shout out. Contact me through my YouTube page. If not, and a couple days have gone by, I'll go ahead and try to contact you. And if nothing happens from that point forth, then I'll go ahead and pick another winner. Within a week. And to the guys that participated, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching the channel. There's going to be more giveaways coming up here pretty soon. So don't get discouraged from this one if you didn't win. So thank you guys for watching. And Cameron Hill, once again, you're the winner. Please contact me through email, through my YouTube page. It's connected. And everybody else, please continue to watch. I've got some exciting stuff coming up. I'll see you guys next time.